How we doing today? Do you think that everything that you feel and all your emotions have a reason to be there? If you think they do, you're right. But it doesn't mean that they are real as real. Say, what do you mean as real? I'm walking here. I could be sad. I could be happy. I could be anxious and would have nothing to do with what's going on around me. Our mind is super powerful, a great sense of imagination, and an amazing memory. So I could be walking here and feeling that that person hurt me so bad that, and I'll be walking like this the whole time. Or I could be like, yeah, because maybe that this is gonna happen to me. They're all emotion. I'm all feeling them, but they're not in my reality as the actual reality. It means that these emotions are not related to my present. They are related to my past or to my future. So when you have the impression that you're feeling something that's completely off with what you're living right now, ask yourself, what am I thinking? Why am I feeling like this? Again, no judgment. You're not there to judge. You're just there to investigate, to understand why you're feeling the way you're feeling when you have the impression that you shouldn't be feeling like that. So you pause and you ask yourself what's going on. And you see if it's not a memory or maybe a horror movie that you're projecting in your mind. And from there on, what you do, you come back here in the present. You feel your body, you feel the breathe, you breathe deeply so you can anchor yourself back in the present and change that emotion. Practice that, it will make a huge difference. Ciao.